Madali gawa tayo snowman. I've been receiving a lot of questions recently. Not a lot, but a few. Like, what happens during night stop? What happens when you stay at a certain place and you guys get to go out, you guys get to roam around the city, the country that you're in? The answer is good luck na naman sa basa nating sapatos, Beshi.
Bring me a dream, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream, make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
I need to take some cinematic shots after this for B-roll and all. My mouth is starting to freeze again. Like what I said earlier, I've been getting a few questions regarding the cabin crew life and whether are we allowed to go out when we go to a certain place, to this country and that, and what do we do when we go on night stops, layovers. Usually the answer is yes, we can go out, we can go wherever we want as long as we are back for the duty. We can go wherever we want as long as we can come back before our duty starts and we will have enough rest before our flight. That's all. That's what they require us. I don't know with other airlines though, because other airlines require you to be back at the hotel at your station 6 hours, 8 hours before your duty time, so you will definitely have enough rest. Of course, it's still work. It's fun and work at the same time. I guess this video will be just about what I do on a layover. Y'all already saw that, so ano pa, besh? Gawa na lang tayo snowman. Since it's my first time making a snowman, I'm trying to be ambitious. I'm trying to do Olaf. But I forgot how he looks like though. Oh, here. This is too ambitious. I'm not going with this. I'm going with the traditional snowman. Okay? Mahirap siya. It's not that easy, man. I'm not gonna be ambitious. I'm not gonna make a big snowman. I'm not gonna make Olaf. I'll just make a small snowman. That's it. I'm actually taking a break from shoot right now. I'm freezing. I couldn't feel my feet. My fingers, they're all red. Para sa vlog! So that's how you make a snowman. Well, at least that's how you make it. I actually have nothing else to do. I want to go to the city, but I'm trying to save my cash for my Osaka flight. So, I haven't had my breakfast yet. I think it's around 1 o'clock. Cinematic shots. I'm actually hungry, so I'm off somewhere to eat. And I'm actually making the most of my time here because I don't know when will I be back. I don't know when will I be able to experience snow again. So I'm just enjoying my time. And I've realized these I saw these melting snow because spring is just around the corner. Sooner or later these snow will disappear and melt. The sound is popping, so I'm just putting this down for a while. Like what I said, the snow will melt sooner or later, and spring is just around the corner, which made me realize the things in life. See, I know I'm deep.
My riches is life forever.
In life mostly for granted, and that we do not appreciate its value until it's gone, until it's melted. So this is how I'm ending the vlog, to tell you guys to appreciate life, to enjoy life, to smile always, to appreciate the people, the things, the experience that you have now, rather than regretting it because it's already melted, it's gone. So yeah, just be positive, smile always, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye guys.